students, let us begin with a simple situation. Imagine two friends, Rahul and Aman. Rahul helps Aman with mathematics and Aman helps Rahul with English. Now, how can we describe this in one simple sentence? Can we say Rahul and Aman help themselves? No. If we say Rahul and Aman help themselves, it means Rahul helps Rahul and Aman helps Aman. But that is not happening here. Rahul helps Aman and Aman helps Rahul. Therefore, we say Rahul and Aman help each other. Here, the action goes in both directions. Rahul helps Aman, and in return, Aman helps Rahul. The words each other show this mutual action. Now imagine several students in a classroom. They share their books, explain difficult lessons, and support their classmates. We can say the students help one another. Here, the students are helping and receiving help from the other students. The expressions each other and one another are called reciprocal pronouns. So, today we are going to learn about reciprocal pronouns in English. What is a reciprocal pronoun? A reciprocal pronoun indicates a mutual action, feeling, or relationship between two or more people, animals, groups, or things. In simple words, when two or more people do the same thing to one another, we use a reciprocal pronoun. For example, Ria and Sia help each other. This means Ria helps Shya and Shya helps Ria. Another example is the players encouraged one another. This means every player encouraged the other players. English has only two reciprocal pronouns: each other and one another. Now you may ask, why is it called a reciprocal pronoun? To understand this, let us first understand the meaning of the word reciprocal. The word reciprocal means mutual or something that is given and received in return. It means that an action, feeling, or relationship goes in both directions. For example, Ria and Sia respect each other. Ria respects Shah and Shah respects Ria. Both of them give and receive respect. Therefore, the relationship is reciprocal. Let us take another example. The two friends called each other. The first friend called the second friend, and the second friend called the first friend. The action was performed by both people towards the other person. That is why each other is called a reciprocal pronoun. In simple words, reciprocal means that both sides do the same thing to one another. Each other. We generally use each other when two people, animals, groups, or things perform an action mutually. For example, Rahul and Aman help each other. The two sisters love each other. Ria and Meera trust each other. The boys looked at each other. In all these examples, the action goes from one person or group to the other and then comes back. One another. We traditionally use one another when more than two people, animals, groups, or things perform a mutual action. For example, the students helped one another. The players encouraged one another. The family members supported one another. The villagers knew one another well. Here, the action or relationship is shared among several people. Each other or one another. Traditionally, we use each other for two people and one another for more than two people. For example, Raya and Sia help each other. There are two people, so we have used each other. The students in the class help one another. There are several students, so we have used one another. However, in modern English, this distinction is not very strict. Use each other mainly for two. Use one another mainly for more than two. Common verbs used with reciprocal pronouns. Many verbs are commonly used with each other and one another. For example, help each other, love each other, respect each other, trust each other, support each other, understand each other, call each other, hug each other, blame each other. Thank you for watching.